Welcome back. So now virtual machine is created with the name of VM1 domain controller server 2016, and now we will proceed with the operating system installation on it. So for the purpose of installation, we require the ISO image for this virtual machine. So I have already copied this ISO image on my storage drive. Here you can see, you can review from here. Here you can see that server 2016. Okay, so I just need to upload this ISO image on ESXI host, and then from that location I will install server 2016 operating system. So let's go to the storage. Here you can see that I have a storage, and here by default I have a single data store. So I just click on that data store and data store browser. So I open the data store browser. Here you can see that one folder is already created, VM1 domain controller, which contain all the VM files. We will definitely look into these all files, but right now we are going to create a separate folder in which we will upload the ISO image. So here in the data store we will create the directory, and the directory name will be ISO. Okay, so here I select the ISO directory and click on the upload button. As I click, here you can see that Microsoft Server 2016 ISO is available, and from here the process initiated. Here you can see that one file process initiated, and as I get to refresh, here you can see that now the process of uploading ISO image initiated over here, and within few minutes this process will be done. So by following this process, you can upload the number of files as per your own requirement. It might be server 2008, 2012, 2016, 2019, whatever you required, you can initiate the process. So I'm going to pause this session over here, and this process will be done, and then we will proceed the operating system installation in the upcoming session.